Here's a automotive reviews. And the last Ford Mustang Shelby GT350 has rolled off the assembly line. And this is according to Ford Authority. It was the first to report this back in April of last year. Now, the current generation Ford Mustang Shelby 350 has officially been discontinued by Ford. A fact that was confirmed last fall, effectively replaced by the 2021 Mach 1. The GT350 will undoubtedly come back one day, as it has done in the past. But when that will happen, no, anyone guess. Now, regardless of that, Ford 30 has confirmed that the Mustang spokesperson, Berj Alexanian, that the last Ford Mustang Shelby GT350 rolled off the line at the Ford Flat Rock assembly plant late last year. Now, production of the last Ford Mustang Shelby GT350 is indeed a sober moment, though. The arrival of the Mach 1, which was reportedly hang with the GT350 on the track, is somewhat of a consolation prize. But fans of the GT350 and its beloved flat plane crank, naturally aspirated 5.2 liter Voodoo V8, won't likely be as thrilled to see it go. And man, many times I've seen the GT350 driving down the street, and man, it just sounds so awesome. That V8 just sounds so smooth. Nothing like it, folks. It's definitely going to be missed. And as we reported last year and recently, that the future of the Voodoo is currently unclear. The 5.2 liter Predator V8 and the 2020 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 does share its displacement and some components with the Voodoo, but it lacks the flat plane crank that gives the Voodoo its signature sound that has endured for so long and has been dear to so many enthusiasts who've come to love the special engine and its performance potential. Now, Ford is seemingly content to move on with the Predator and also the beloved 5.0 liter Coyote V8. A special version of which powers the new Mach 1, but many enthusiasts would love to at least see the Ford Voodoo live on in crate motor form, if nothing else. Now the question is, will Ford actually offer it to consumers? That's a question that remains to be seen. Now, as does the future of the GT350, perhaps we'll see the Shelby return when the next generation Ford Mustang launches, which is expected to happen in 2022 or 2023 model, but recent rumors suggest that it won't be long before the Mustang goes all electric. So it's quite possible that we've seen the last of the internal combustion powered GT350 that'll ever be made. And if that proves true, it'll make the last generation model even more special than it already was. There'll be more about the GT350 soon. This is Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. Hi, this is Bruce from AO Automotive Reviews, encouraging you to subscribe, to like, and to continue watching these videos. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to putting out a lot more great content. Thanks for watching and subscribing. Much love. Peace out.